Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about how to add and subtract polynomial functions.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem here, it's quite large, for the functions f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 7, and g of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 3. We want to find f plus g of x, f plus g of 3, f minus g of x, f minus g of negative 2. Let's take our time with this one. Let's start with f plus g of x. What is that telling us? Well, f plus g of x is meaning we're adding these two polynomial functions together. First one, f, 3x squared minus a 5x plus a 7 added to g of x, x squared minus 4x minus 3. Now from here, we want to combine our like terms. Let's reorder this. So let's give me some space here. 3x squared and an x squared. Put that together. 3x squared plus the x squared. Those are the like terms. From there, we have the 4x and the 5x. So we have minus 5x minus a 4x. Lastly, 7, negative 3. We have plus 7 minus a 3. Now we can combine our like terms. 3x squared plus x squared is a 4x squared minus, minus 5x minus a 4x. That's a minus a 9x. If you need to see that, plus a negative 5x plus a negative 4x, negative 9x. 7 minus the 3 is a 4. So we have plus a 4 here. So we found that f plus g of x, just fit that in there, is a 4x squared minus 9x plus 4. Now they want to tell us what is f plus g of 3. Well, we can take that function we just have, f plus g of x, and rewrite it as f plus g of 3. And we're going to substitute 3 in for x. So we have 4 times a 3 all squared minus a 9 times a 3 for x plus a 4. Simplify that out. 3 squared gives me a 9. 4 times 9 minus 9 times 3 is a 27. Here plus 4. 4 times 9 is a 36 minus a 27 plus 4. 36 minus a 27 comes out to be, what is that, 9? I should know that. 9 plus a 4, and that gives me 9 plus 4 is a 13. And so f plus g of 3 was a 13. So what we did here, if we take an f plus g of x, we found out what that equation was, and then we applied it to, well, f plus g of 3. So let's do the same exact thing, the second part. F minus g of x. We're going to subtract the two functions. This is more important to keep our parentheses. 3x squared minus a 5x plus a 7 minus here, the second equation, x squared minus 4x minus 3. Now we want to simplify this. Well, what I like to do is distribute this minus sign to all parts. Plus a negative x, positive 4x, positive 3. Now we can rearrange this to have our like terms next to each other. We have 3x squared plus a negative x squared. Then we have the, regular x's, a minus 5x plus a 4x, and then plus a 7 plus a 3, lastly. Keep that going. 3x squared plus a negative x squared is a 2x squared. Minus 5x plus a 4x is a minus 1x, or minus just x. And then plus here, 7 plus 3 is a good old 10. So we have f minus g, if you can see that here, of x, just fitting it in, is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 10. But now we want to find what is f minus g of negative 2. So I take my f minus g function, but instead of an x, I'm going to put a negative 2 in. And we're going to substitute that negative 2 in for each x value. 2 times a negative 2 all squared, minus a negative 2 plus a 10. Now we want to combine or simplify this. So we have 2 times a negative 2 all squared is a positive 4. Minus a negative 2 is like plus a positive 2 plus 10. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 plus 10, and we can do that. 8 plus 2 is a 10, plus a 10 is a 20. So f minus g of negative 2 simplifies or equals a 20 there, and there we have it. Again, just like we did before, we found f minus g of x, then we plugged in negative 2 for the second part there, and got a 20. I hope you learned something here on how to add and subtract polynomial functions. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us make more of these free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.